We have been in San Francisco for about 3 weeks, met wonderful people, but now it was now time to set sail once again. Wonderful looking out.
Good view, eh, Carmel? Yeah.
San Francisco made us discover how great the sailing community was. The generosity from other cruisers was overwhelming and heartwarming.
Oh, holy f***. Woo! Holy!
I didn't have many expectations from Moss Landing, and it quite surprised me by the wildlife presence. We took the opportunity to take a kayak and sup for paddle exploration.
That's what happened when you don't have a dishwasher. I showed Caroline how to be classy. And what are you doing while you're doing this?
I'm applying to all these yacht clubs in LA. Hopefully they'll have us at their guest dock.
Yeah. They won't if they see this video before.
I obviously have ethics or etiquette training.
Yeah, I see that.
As you can see, Kona had a big day at the beach today.
So how she feel about sailing?
The Big Sur, California, yay!
Thank you so much for all the patrons to make this adventure possible. Please make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.